In this video, we will be declaring multiple variables of different types. So here is the example for using different types of data in a C program. So I will be adding include stdio.h, that is standard input output header file to our program, and then starting with the main function, and then I'm declaring int id, and I want to take name also from the user. For that, character array I will be taking. So character and the name, for which size I will be giving as 50, and then so ID, name, and let's take course also. So for that, again I'm taking here character array. So that will be, let's take it next line. So character array, that is course, for which I'm giving the size 25, and then I am taking float percentage, and then character grade. So I have taken here integer, character, float, and also character array, which will be a string in C programming. Now let's take all the 5 values from user. So for that, I will be giving to user a message, enter name, ID and name. And when the user enters ID and name, I will be scanning it using scanf, and I will be using here %d for ID, %s for name. And then I will be assigning it to ID variable, address of ID, and address of name. So name n is in uppercase letter, so n we should give like this. So now we have ID and name. I can print ID and name. So let's first print ID and name. So ID %d, name %s. And to be for substituting in place of %d, ID I'm printing, and then name. So this is the program for printing ID and name. First compile it to check for errors, and here we got some error. So name, as you can see, we gave lowercase, we got error. When if we need to give uppercase. So now again compile, and if any errors, again it will give us, otherwise 0 errors or warnings we get. And when I now run, I get a message to enter ID and name. So I will be entering ID and name as Ram. So I get ID 12, name Ram. Now let's take from user the other variable values, that is course percentage and grade. So I'm giving again a message to user to enter course percentage and grade. So course percentage and grade. So when the user gets this message, user will be entering the course percentage and grade. So for that, I will be scanning course. I will be scanning using percentile S. Percentage, I will be taking percentile F. And for grade, I will be taking percentile C. And I will be assigning to course, then percentage, and then the grade. So address of grade like this. So like this, I will be assigning to course percentage and grade the scanned values. Now let's print all the three. So for printing, I am taking printf, and I will be printing all the three at a time in same statement: course, percentile S, percentage. So for percentage, we require percentile F, and let's print grade in next line. So here course and percentage I am printing. And then to print grade, I will be taking another printf. So here I want to print grade. So for that percentile C, and then here I will be taking grade. Now execute, compile first. So when you compile, if any errors it will give, otherwise run it. So when I run, I get enter ID and name. So when I enter ID and name, I get welcome ID and name, and then the message enter course percentage grade. Course I'm giving as C, percentage I'm giving as 89.9, and the grade I'm giving as A. So I get all the three values displayed: course C, percentage, and grade. Now to get it in different lines, just you can write percentile n in every line. So here, sorry, slash n in every line. So here I am writing slash n before starting printing of any line. So here slash n everywhere we are printing. So slash n in every printf I have added here. Now again if I compile and then run, I get enter ID and name, ID, name, enter course percentage grade, course percentage, and grade. So all the three will be displayed like this. So that was about printf and scanf with different types of variables in C.